Hey guys, welcome back to Route 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out the House of the Dead remake for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I'm shocked this game runs day one, man. It runs on launch, which is quite nice to be honest with you. I have played the original one, a bit. I actually tried to do a whole walkthrough on it. Sucked painfully. You know, I died a lot. But here, we're playing on the default settings, and we're just going to see if the game actually plays out, and let's have some fun with it. As you know, we're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Basically, if you're new to the channel, I test out benchmarks. It's literally what I do. YUZU, RPCS3, Xenia, everything of emulation, or I even test the latest games on integrated graphics. So anything low end, I'm the guy to look to. Me gonna be the next low spec gamer up in here, boy. Don't ask me what that was. But anyway, right off the bat, it seems to be running quite well. It loaded a lot of shaders at the beginning. I imagine that's because the first chapter tragedy. I imagine because this is like, it's gonna load in shaders. This is the first time I've launched the game. So I want you guys to always see how it plays from the jump. I hate to let you guys just load it in and then play it, because that's not a good representation of what the games can do. You have to understand from the beginning, when you play this game, it's going to have it doesn't seem like you can move past 30 FPS either. It seems 30 FPS is the law. It's going to stay. Oh yeah, remember this, you gotta save all these guys, but that ain't happening, but you know. It keeps building shaders, but you know, I questioned that. X, got it, okay. Are you kidding me right now? It's not even hard to reload. I just have to. I'm gonna die here. Like I said,
Rogan,
games aren't easy for me.
it's you.
What just happened? Really? Dude, I don't have the health for this. I got the hang of. I totally shot that guy. I totally shot that guy. Hey, it's a good that this is only a benchmark, right? I'm not taking this seriously, right? The thing about benchmarks, guys,
This is terrible.
I don't have to care, because I am not going to be good at every game. I test too many games on here. I'm not going to be good at all of them. In fact, I'm going to suck at some, but it's a benchmark. Who cares? Will I even make it? Seriously, how did I not hit him? Well, I guess I couldn't see the cursor there. Whoa! I can't see the cursor. The cursor goes off screen. Are you kidding me? If I'm not careful, it might go too far to... Well, this is a rip ski. This is a rip. Yep, that was a rip. This is pain. I won't lie to you. How? I do remember. Hey, but it runs though. It's just only 7 gigs of RAM,
Reload.
which isn't bad to be honest with you.
You can go upstairs from that room.
You weren't gonna tell me about the zombies running right behind you, bro? No? That's cool. It's only using 7 gigs of RAM. That's not bad. It actually is running quite well. Considering port, you could. This is playable from the jump. Like you don't need to play this twice. Like this works fine. Okay, getting the hang of it. Gotta remember to keep pressing X as well.
Watch out behind you. Reload. Quick, open the lock. Reload. Reload.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I take it back when I said that I got it down. I take it back. That's crazy. I take it back.
Reload.
But once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I will see you guys next time. This has been the House of the Dead remake. It runs right off the jump. Die everything else here, please. Listen, I can't be accurate. There's still stutters, you know, so it's hard to be accurate for something like this.
Reload. Reload.
Oh. I know I was gonna get hit there. I didn't even have the cursor in the right direction. I'll see you guys again.